Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So it is January 2nd, Monday, January 2nd, and it is our first day of our Walt Disney World vacation. Early this morning, we did capture your moment at Epcot. It is still morning, it is late morning, it is 11:30. We're heading back now to Epcot for the day. Probably gonna take a break because we're within walking distance. And tonight is the late night extra magic hours at Epcot. So we're definitely gonna take advantage of those. And so let's go head to Epcot and we're gonna go through International Gateway, probably ride Ratatouille, and then go grab some lunch at Regal Eagle. So we finally made it to Epcot. It is 11:50, so still early morning. Well, not early morning, still morning. And we are now gonna head over to Ratatouille, and then we're gonna head to Regal Eagle for some lunch because we really didn't eat breakfast. But so far, doesn't look like it's that crazy packed. Obviously reservations were full, but it doesn't look crazy yet. So I don't know, we'll see. There's no festival going on, so we'll see. And here we go. So the crowds look, I would say normal. Doesn't look like a holiday crowd. So, but it's only noon, so we'll see. When we walked in, Daisy was over there, and now it's Sleeping Beauty. There's no photo pass photographer though. Oh, she's so pretty. And there's quite a long line. Long line with no photo pass photographer. And here we go, Ratatouille. Okay, so I take it back. It is packed. So fortunately we do have a lightning lane for Ratatouille. And there's actually no line for the photo pass, so we're gonna take a photo. Okay, Ride, are you ready? Yeah. Yeah? Let me see you.
We're gonna ride in a rat?
Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it!
So we just rode Ratatouille, it was great. Now we're gonna go grab some lunch at Ratatouille. So I think I mentioned that we weren't able to get a boarding pass, but it is almost 12:20, so I have my alarm set for 12:59 to remind me to try for the boarding pass at 1 o'clock. Either way though, we did get the lightning lane. It cost us $51 for all three of us. And yeah, I was wrong about the crowds. It's pretty packed. And there we go, Regal Eagle Smokehouse. And it's pretty busy, so we're gonna have to try and find a seat before we get our food. So it took us a little while to get a table, but we were able to get a table. And so now we're just waiting for we pressed the button for it to be prepared. We're just waiting for it, but yeah, you just have to scout around and look for a table. So one tip when you're doing mobile order is if you don't like the time, because at first we were in line, it was 12 o'clock and the earliest time was 1:15. And I just made the order and then I just changed the arrival window. I just kept changing the arrival window and then I was able to get 12:30, which is what I did. So if you can't see the time, just make your order and then you can always change the arrival window to look for an earlier time. Okay, so I got barbecue chicken, Ryder got ribs, and that's no ribs, that's not a kid's ribs, that is adult ribs because he's a hungry boy, right? And then Ray got some pulled pork, and I got pickles, obviously, and french fries. Okay, so we just finished up at Regal Eagle, and it was 1 o'clock, so we waited here for the 1 o'clock drop. Ray and I both tried to get the virtual queue, and he was the successful one. Usually when it's both of us trying, he's successful. His phone is just faster. He has AT&T, I have Verizon. So yeah, so we got it. It says it's gonna be like a 6.5 hour wait, but our virtual queue our lightning lane is at 1:45, so we'll be able to do that. And then there's also a 6 o'clock drop for the deluxe resorts for the extra magic hour, so that's at 6 o'clock. So there's a chance that we could even ride it 3 times today. So we have some time to kill before test track, so I got a rosé. And we're just gonna take our nice stroll. It is a little after 1, so we got about 45 minutes to make it over to Future World or whatever it's called now. So we have about 25 minutes to kill before our lightning lane for test track. So we just came over to the little family play zone so Ryder can play, we can relax, and kill some time before that lightning lane. Hey Ryder! So this is a test track, and
this is the lightning lane. We're gonna be here a while.
And we were saying that we never seen the playground that packed. Like, it is just so packed. The playground was packed. And then since there's no festivals going on, those are a lot of people eaters. So there's a lot of things closed. So, but you know, we're taking it as it goes. So this is Ryder's favorite part of Test Track.
He gets to draw.
He gets to draw the car.
He's not done.
He's not done. Okay, the color is better. Yeah.
That's better.
I see it, Ryder. Point at it. Okay, so we just finished Test Track, and once we got inside, it actually moved pretty fast. So it is 2:18. We got in line in the Lightning Lane line at 1:40. So about 40 minutes to get through the line and through the ride. Now we have our Lightning Lane for Cosmic Rewind was from 1:45 to 2:45. So we're gonna head over there now. Okay, Ryder, where are we going? And what song do you think we're gonna get? One way or another. That's the song you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Okay, so we're taking bets on the song. Ryder says it's going to be one way or another.
Tonga.
Tonga, I'm going to say it's Disco Inferno. I was thinking September, but I'm going with Disco Inferno. So, and you said one way or another? Okay, so we'll see. Does it ever want to ride with me?
Only with Dad.
I only get to ride with him when I take him to Disney by myself. I'm the best mom, but I'm not better than Daddy.
You're not ride worthy.
I'm not ride worthy.
I think we're jumping back.
All the way.
Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Dragon.
Mommy was gonna do the correct one, but her just changed it.
And then so I was wrong.
So you were wrong.
So I should have stuck to my original choice, September. I went with Disco Inferno and it ended up being September, which we never had before, which I really liked. I thought I liked it during the ride. Now we're gonna go ride Spaceship Earth. We got a Lightning Lane, because it's a long line. It's a busy day. So this is the Lightning Lane. Oh God, it's 45-minute wait without it. So the line was so long at Spaceship Earth and it wasn't moving. And we heard the lady at the front saying it was at least 20 minutes, if not a half an hour. And Ryder just said, I don't want to ride this. So we just got out of line. So now we're at Journey into Imagination with Figment, which he loves. I love it too.
And we all agree that Journey into Your Imagination is the version of Journey into Imagination.
Yes, it was. It was. What were they thinking?
Yeah, what were they thinking?
So Ryder's favorite thing for riding Imagination is coming here and making his own figment. Like this is like, he would just do this and that's it. And we just came out and Joy is here and Penelope is over there. There are no photo pass photographers, but they are in those spots. So we're gonna go, we're trying to convince Ryder to go see Mickey. He doesn't really want to go, but we're gonna make him go anyway. So Mickey is in here and he does have a photo pass photographer.
Hi, Mickey.
Ryder, look here. Look here. What are you doing?
Now do it.
All right.
One second.
Happy New Year, Mickey. So Ryder wanted to do this, so that's what we're doing. So we just watched the Pixar shorts, which Ryder loves. So we went and saw Mickey, we walked in right into Pixar Shorts, and then as we were there, we had gotten the text to come for the lounge, so it was like 5 minutes before it ended, and walked right up here. So it was great. It's really nice. Ray and Ryder are been so busy. They said they're out of coffee. They only have decaf, and then I think they have like soda. So looks like they have some snacks. I see some people with snacks, and yeah, so it's nice. I haven't been up here in a while, probably at least a year. And they added some more seating. It's still assigned seating, but it looks like there's more seating.
And a great view of Spaceship Earth.
Unfortunately for me, these are the only snacks, so obviously not gluten-free, but Ray and Ryder will like them. So we're in line for the Lightning Lane for Frozen Ever After, and
This is where it started. So an after house, whatever it's called, is reopened. So that's nice to see.
It was awesome fun making everyone a snowy summer day.
so we just exited Frozen Ever After, and now
This is the end of the Lightning Lane, not the regular line, the Lightning Lane. So yeah, we rode it a good time.
so that's going to be the end of this video. We did quite a bit for 5.5 hours. You know, it's busy. It's really busy, but you know, we did what we wanted, and we're gonna take a quick little break at the resort, change because it's starting to get a little cold, and then we are going to come back. Our boarding group for Cosmic Rewind hasn't been called yet. So then, and then there's another drop for the extra magic hour. So we're gonna come back, hopefully ride Test Track and Cosmic Rewind, and maybe Cosmic Rewind twice. So that will be tomorrow's video. But for this now, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.